the chapter number 1, that is crop production and management. What are the seasonal methods, seasonal crops, rabi crops, kharif crops? What are the different agriculture tools which we have discussed in our previous video, right? So now I can give you detailed explanation about this chapter. Yes, first of all, what is the nutrients? Nutrients that we take energy from the nutrients, like we eat at breakfast, lunch, dinner. Whatever we eat, the food like pulses, fruits, vegetable, these all the things which we eat and we get energy from it. So we can walk, we can speak, we can play. Yes, for this energy, for required energy we get from the nutrients. So the question arises that, so how that nutrients, how the food that is prepared. So first of all, here the different steps are there, like here agriculture methods. That is, first of all you have the preparation of soil. First to prepare the soil, digging out the soil, then the good quality of seeds which we are sowing in the particular soil. Then adding a manure and fertilizer. What is the difference between manure and fertilizer? We will discuss in this lecture. Now that irrigation is the process in which we supply water to the crop. Irrigation, there are the different sources of irrigation is there, like rain, lake, river. These are the different sources of irrigation. Then protection from weeds, like weeds that is unwanted plant which grow with our main crop. So how it is necessary for removing the weeds or protection from weeds? Because the weeds that is unwanted plants, okay, we don't know that a plant is necessary for us or not. So here the thing is that we remove the weeds. Why? Because whatever we give manure and fertilizer and direct sunlight, they obtained by these weeds, and the shortage of that weeds and food and nutrients, the lack of nutrition of our main crop. So the thing is that we remove the weeds and the direct sunlight, whatever we give that fertilizer and manure, that directly take by our main crop. Then harvesting, after the crop is mature, then we harvest it, and for that the grain which is we separated, and after the separated of that grain we just dry it up, then we store in our granaries. So here the different methods for prepare the soil, then sowing, adding manure. From these 7 steps we will learn about the methods, agriculture practices, which are the different agriculture tools we will discuss. So first of all, there is a 2 season is there. One, that is rabi crop. Second, that is kharif crop. Rabi crop and kharif crop. So rabi crop is that which is a winter crop. In winter season which we sow a different types of crop, that is known as rabi crop. Whereas kharif crop is that the whatever crop which we sow in a rainy season or monsoon season, that is known as kharif crop. Here the duration of the rabi crop, that is November, December to March. Rabi crop, that is a winter season, and here kharif crop, that is June to October or September. The duration of that kharif crop, that is June to October to September, that is a rainy season in our India. And here winter season, that is from December, October to March, or November to March, that is a winter season which we grow, that is rabi crop. Here is the 2 main season for cropping the different plants. Here in summer season we have seen that the different types of fruits, vegetables which also sown by the farmers. Okay, so now these are the seasonal activity which a farmer do. Now the crop, how we produce a crop, what are the different methods, which is the first step to grow our crop. So first of all, you just take here agriculture practices, agriculture method is there. So first number, that is a preparation of soil. First, why it is necessary to prepare the soil? As you know, that soil is quite harder in summer or whatever season. So you just prepare the soil, like you just digging out the soil and loosen the soil. Okay, if you don't use it, so you use water, just add the water in the soil, and after digging it out, when the soil is loosened, so it is very easy to growing the plants, cultivated a plant, it is very easy. So for that, the different types of agriculture tools is there. There is in the past that the farmer used, that is plough shaft, hoe, and now today we will digging the soil by use of the tractor, that is a cultivator, that is known as cultivator. So the first thing is that you just loosen the soil. You just loosen the soil with the help of different agriculture tools. In past, like that you have seen in the video, that is a past which the farmer used, that is a plough and plough shaft. Okay, which the description of the plough, that is a wooden hand, and the end of that end of the part, that is with the iron, that is known as plough. And this is a tractor. This is the tractor which helps to digging the soil very fast, and it saves labor as well as time. And hoe is used for removing weeds. Hoe is used removing the weeds. So here the preparation of the soil is very necessary for cropping the plants, for loosen the soil so that seed easily dig into out, and they also protect from the birds. Okay, so here the thing is that digging is very necessary. So here the preparation of the soil, this topic is completed. We use the different agriculture tools: plough, hoe, cultivator, right? Cultivator, with the help of the tractor we can dig out with very less time. We can save our labor as well as time. Now the next part, that is sowing. What is the sowing? Sowing is that you just seed, whatever the seeds you have, the good quality of seed, you just sow into loosen the soil. Okay, after you sow the seed, you cover up the whole soil for protection from the birds. And for this, agriculture tools, the traditional tools are there, which you saw in this figure, that the traditional tool, the bullocks are moving, and that part, the funnel shape that is shown, we just add the seeds one by one. So when bullock is moved, the proper seeds are sowing in the field. And the necessary thing is that you just kept in mind that the proper distance between the crop, it is necessary. Whenever you sowing, the proper distance between the soil, it is necessary. Why it is so? There is no mixture of their crop in a particular area, so they do not get proper nutrients from the sunlight, from the manure, fertilizer. So the thing is that you just whenever you seed the soil, whenever you sowing, the proper distance can be maintained. There is no overcrowding. Overcrowding is not allowed, because the overcrowded crops which do not get the proper nutrients from the sunlight. So that is the traditional method. In this picture you see, that is the traditional method of farmer. One farmer, that two bullocks are going. Okay, and the traditional method is there. But now here is the modern method. We use the seed drill. With the help of tractor, we just sow the seed with the help of seed drill. That is a modern technique which is used by farmer. So here the sowing part is completed.
In this lecture, we have seen the different types of agriculture tools. This is the traditional tools for ploughing. That is a plough shaft, plough share. Here's another thing, that is a hoe, which we use for removing the weeds that is unwanted plants. Here is the modern technique, that is a cultivator. Nowadays ploughing is done by a tractor driven cultivator. It saves labor and time. Here it is the sowing, that is a traditional method of sowing which farmer used in our past. Now this is the modern method, that is a seed drill which we use. Thank you everyone.